In this video, I'm going to show you how to cite Google Scholar articles. So first, you have to find an article, of course. Let's say I'm going to type in basketball over here, and I'm going to search for it. And let's say you want to have this one cited over here, which is basketball injuries. What you have to do is not click on the article, but actually click Cite over here down below. So simply click it, and as you can see, you'll see the citations for all different standards. You have the MLA, the APA, Chicago, Harvard, and Vancouver. You also have the options to cite as BibTeX, EndNote, RefMan or RefWorks simply by clicking on each and every single one of these. So either one you click, it's going to open up the citation for that one, or download it via a document to your computer, just like it did over here for me. And then what you have to do is, of course, just copy this. So highlight it and then right click, copy, and paste it into wherever you have to cite. So that's pretty much it. That's how to cite with Google Scholar articles. What you have to be really careful about is that this is not necessarily correct, okay? So always double check it before you submit your work, and double check that these citations were actually correct. So if this video helped you out, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.